So I am here. What I am holding is a portable VHF radio. So what is portable radio? So it is very crucial to us cadets because it is used for communicating ship to shore, or it depends on your ship. So I'm here to discuss what is the parts of the portable radio. So first of all, this one is the antenna. So it will locate the signal. And this one here is the channel selector. So you'll use this if you select channels which is not used. So this one is the power button and the volume button. So you'll use this if you turn on your portable radio and how loud it is. So here is the speaker. You will hear voices coming from the receiver. So this one is your mic. So you will talk here. That it will receive your voice. So this button is PTT, or press to talk. So you'll press this if you want to talk. And then this button is the squelch button. So you'll use this if the voice of your communicator is not clear. And I think that's all. Thank you.